My name is Will Woods. I'm the Irrigation Division Manager here at SMC Landcare. Water conservation has always been a big thing here, and I realized that as soon as I started with SMC that we want to deliver a quality product, but we want to save the customer as much money on their water and utilities as possible. So with the help of SmartLink now, we are able to really dial in those systems. It makes everything so much easier. Not only does it save the customer money, but it saves us trips out for simple things that we can now do from the desktop.
Weathermatic has streamlined that communication with our clients. It has eliminated the amount of paperwork that has to happen between the technicians, us, and the customers. It clicked when it became about the ability to shift funds from utilities to improvements in the landscape. We can save the water, save the money, and improve the landscape at the same time.
As an irrigation inspector, my role is to check all the irrigation for all our properties, make sure everything's working. With SmartLink, it's a lot easier because everything's in one place. I can just go on the app, start a zone, and turn it off with the click of a button.
I was out of town dealing with some family stuff, and our maintenance manager called and said that the color needed water. And within 5 minutes, I had all the color getting water right then. So it's just a huge asset to have.